Sarah and George are hanging their pendant lights in the hallway.
Yeah, that's nice. That is actually quite nice.
But an almighty problem is rearing its ugly head at the top of the stairs.
We were told to finish here, and they put the stairs in here.
The team from Carpet Court have found the floor they completed last week doesn't finish flush with this week's stairs.
They've stitched you up, haven't they?
Well, they have stitched us up big time.
So last week they said for you to finish off on the landing was there.
Yep.
And they said just finish there.
Finish off, yeah.
The floorboards from last week are 25mm short of the staircase stringer. This is all because of George never let Steve from Carpet Court know the actual width of the staircase last week.
But the drama is we've got to take up half the hallway. It's going to take forever, but we haven't got enough time to fix it today.
George.
Yo.
Come up here, bud. It's 1 o'clock on Saturday, and it needs to be resolved because the judges will see this as a problem.
We're just having a chat about this area here, mate.
Yeah.
It's not an easy fix. It's going to take us quite a few hours.
Right.
Because, in fact, we'll have to come back about 2.5 metres down the hallway.
Yeah, OK.
Can't blame Steve. He never knew the width. We can't blame the stair guys because we always had their plans.
How is that my fault that the floors are short? How does that fall on me?
Because you probably should have showed the plans to Steve and said, hey, this is the width we need up here.
Late afternoon now, we've got tools down pretty soon. We can get stuck into it now, but the amount of time it needs to get from here to there and the material we're going to use is not going to make it.
So I guess it was more of a thing when I heard it's going to take about 3-4 hours. We're ripping up floors. We've just paid for everyone to clean the house. Now we've got to buzzsaw all the boards off or whatever, short them, whatever.
Don't do this to me now and pin me for all the hard work, mate.
George has busted his ass all week, and to get...
That's what I'm saying. Now I've even got this professionally cleaned, and it's just going to be cut. Like I said, mate, I'm happy to work with you. I always have.
Yeah.
And I'm happy to do it next week, but not for me to be pinned.
No.
For judging. That's...
Mate, come on.
George and their builder Corey are getting a bit angry at the moment about the situation. I can feel the tension in the air.
Mate, I'm not going to rip up the floors. I'm going to put it... mate, no. I'll just take the hit on the points, mate.
They've got a lot to do, too.
I know, mate. But so does Corey.
And so do we, to be honest, and I've just paid for that to be clean. There's just no way.
Look, I understand that George isn't a builder or he's not a stair maker, but he is the client and he is the project manager. So he's got to put his hand up, admit something's wrong and fix it now.
And now it's like, stop his boy, go up there, rip up my floors. I've been paid to people to professionally clean. We've caulked. Mate, I'd rather just lose a point. And it's not fair, mate. It's not right. It's not right. Oh, I don't care. Like, I'm not going to get dicked around.
You're on the block, mate. You've had your 5 weeks holiday. Man up.
Off with the camera, please.
But the drama is we've got to take up half the hallway. It's going to take forever.
It's a big job to pull up and relay new floorboards this close to reveal.
You are going to be judged on this because it is an oversight at the end of the day.
It's just annoying. It's annoying. Mate, I'm not going to rip up the floors. I'm going to put it... mate, no.
Up to you guys. That's all.
I'll just take the hit on the points, mate.
After first reacting with defiance, cooler heads prevail.
Just do the beat.
George, this house is flawless as it is. If he's got enough boards, we'll do it.
Yeah.
All right?
And George and his builder Corey decide to fix it quick.
Yeah, Corey just said, let's do it. The house is perfect. I want it to be perfect, yeah.
When you're in the moment and something goes wrong and it's the day before, of course, naturally you start to freak out.
Well, mate, we just got to rip up the floors. They've got to put up floating floors and redo them and put them closer.
Look, I'm estimating a couple of hours to fix it. If Corey, the builder, gets in and helps Steve from Carpet Court, I think there's enough boards and plenty of time to fix this. They've just got to get in there and do it.
The guys from Carpet Court and Sarah and George's builder Corey have worked their butts off and closed the gap between the floorboards and the stairs.
Oh, mate.
Spot on.
Beautiful, all along there. Yeah. That looks awesome.
Yeah, it looks great,
That looks
mate.
awesome.
Mate, we fixed it.
Problem fixed, yeah.
We fixed it, you know, problem solved.
He's smiling. He's smiling.
Mate, I've had 2 hours sleep in 3 days. It's all right, mate. I'm getting a bit emotional.
I understand, mate. Oh, yeah.
What you can't understand is when you've got this beautiful room to deliver, when you know it can be a winner, and then that's probably going to cost me, like that just sinks you. We got it done, and that's all that matters.